everyone, today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make a healthy vegan meal for a family of 8 for under £10. So first thing you do is cut
Look at the strength.
half a pumpkin, a small bag of sweet potato and white potato and 2 chochos. Now I'm going to fry 2 spring onions, 1 small onion and 2 garlic cloves. With all-purpose seasoning, black pepper and paprika and jerk marinade. Now I'm going to add some of this water. It smells good. Now I'm going to add this into our pot and mix it all up. See you when it's done. First thing you do is add your vegetable stock with 700 ml of boiling water. Then you add your Grace pumpkin soup mix and mix it all up. Then you add your mixture into your pot. You should do this like 3 or 4 times, and if necessary, add more water so all your vegetables are covered. Smells good. Then you leave it to boil until all your vegetables are soft. See you after it's done. Now my delicious pumpkin soup is made. I'm gonna tuck in and see you next time.